Hi guys, namaste. I am going to cook the chicken 65 today. That is very easy and very tasty too. First of all, I am going to marinate the chicken with the light spices. You can put more spicy if you want, but up to you, whatever you like to cook, spicy or not really spicy. I am marinating the chicken first with all spices and the little flour and cornstarch. That will make little crispiness. Then while I am preparing the chicken, I am ready to fry the chicken. I will fry on the deep fryer one by one, slowly. Don't burn your hand. Just be careful. This oil is very hot. All the chicken I put in the deep fryer is looking so good. Chicken will be ready in 3-4 minutes because I am not making like a well done. Yeah, it looks perfect. Then I will take it out on the separate plate. And I will use the one frying pan. I will put the oil, whatever like oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, your choice. Make it hot and you put the mustard seed, curry leaves and dry red chili and mix it, and put the good amount of garlic and mix it together. Make it little brown color. Yeah, it looks brown. Now we can add the chicken, the fried chicken, and mix it very nicely. Mix it together very nicely. Then put some chili sauce. For the little spices and salt for the taste to taste. Now put the some lemon juice and green coriander. Give you the really taste and nice flavor too. I am almost ready. I am plating and serving the chicken. It looks very nice and presenting good. Thank you guys. If you like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.